उपधाराय अस्मान् विश्वानि देववयुनानि विद्वान् युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेणो भूयिष्ठान्ते नमोक्तिं विधेम। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः।
A million thanks to everyone who have joined us here on this beautiful evening. We welcome Shraddhe, our Pro-Vice Chancellor Sir, Rajastrar Sir, to this evening, the valedictory evening of the 5th International Yoga Festival. Presenting before you another grand cultural evening of the valedictory night of the 5th International Yoga Festival. Music is the best way to refresh our mind, our body and our soul. So to start with, we have our very first performance.
And at the very beginning, we would like to request our Registrar Sir to kindly welcome Param Shraddhe. हम सब निवेदन करेंगे रजिस्ट्रार सर से कि वे पुष्पों के माध्यम से परम श्रद्धेय का स्वागत करें। हम सभी तालियों के माध्यम से उनकी यहाँ पर उपस्थिति का हृदय से अभिनंदन कर रहे हैं, स्वागत करते हैं। Heading towards the first performance of this cultural evening, we are going to invite girls for the group song, which actually depicts the horary culture of yoga and which lauds the importance of yoga in our life. So please put your hands together to welcome this group song. यहाँ है अपना योग महान।
जिसका
Yagya Gita actually talks about the importance of yoga, the 8 limbs of yoga given by Maharishi Patanjali, and it talks about how the practice of yoga can lead towards physical, mental, social and spiritual excellence in individual's life. Moving further in this cultural evening, which will further end as the valedictory session of this 5th International Festival on Yoga, Culture and Spirituality, we will proceed further with a group dance.
These 5 days, TSPV was depicting as an ocean of knowledge, where we learned so many things. It was like the Ganges of knowledge has been flowing in the premises of TSPV. And after you all have sung in the depth of song, music, and light and joy, let's welcome our next performance, that is a group dance by the students.
In these 5 days, we have undergone the practice of Hatha Yoga, Laya Yoga, Dhyana Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Yajna in different sessions. And we all have experienced, because our faces actually depicts that what has undergone in these 5 days. And I think with this experience, this positive experience, we are proceeding further and moving further towards the next performance of this culture live, the group dance.
So please put your hands together for the group dance by the students of TSPV.
We will work together for ushering new era on this globe, as this was the vision of our patron founder, Pujya Gurudev.
योग कर्मों, गीता में भगवान कृष्ण ने कहा है, कर्मों की कुशलता का नाम ही योग है। साथ ही योग कर्म करते हुए कुशलता पाने का मार्ग भी है। इसी परिभाषा को साबित करने आ रहे हैं हमारे देव संस्कृति विश्वविद्यालय के कर्मचारी अपना योग प्रदर्शन लेकर। जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए इनका।
Especially for you all, staff members of DSVB have prepared a yoga demo. Please put your hands together for this surprising performance for our international delegates.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
मसी कागज छोयो नहीं, कलम गढ़ो नहीं हाथ, चारों युग के देवता मुख ही कही बात। एक ऐसा महापुरुष जिसने अपने ज्ञान और कर्म से बताया कि काबा और काशी बाहर नहीं बल्कि हमारे भीतर है। वो थे संतों के संत, युगवीर, ज्ञान योगी, संत कबीर।
एक ऐसे संत जो ग्रंथ, ज्ञान और अस्त्र के सहारे समाज की कुरीतियां हटाने का प्रयास कर एक योद्धा तैयार किया। वीर शिवा को अपना शिष्य बनाया। समाज से कुरीति को हटाकर युग को नया पहचान देने वाले वीर कर्मयोगी समर्थ गुरु रामदास।
एक ऐसे महापुरुष जिसने अपने श्रद्धा भक्ति से मां काली को भोजन कराया, नरेंद्र को शिष्य बनाकर स्वामी विवेकानंद बनाया। वो थे महान भक्ति योगी रामकृष्ण परमहंस।
24 कलाओं से अभिभूत युगद्रष्टा, जिन्होंने विचार का शंखनाद कर मनुष्य में देवत्व का उदय और धरती पर स्वर्ग का अवतरण करने संपूर्ण मानव जाति को वर्तमान युग का युग जीवन जीने की कला सिखाने वाले महायोगी वेदमूर्ति तपोनिष्ठ पंडित श्री राम शर्मा आचार्य।
का अर्थ है संयम और शक्ति का नियोजन। आप सबके हाथ में है 2 तालियां। तालियों के माध्यम से ऐसे कार्यक्रम का अभिनंदन करें और अपनी ऊर्जा को नियंत्रित करें, नियोजित करें। दिस वॉज DYD, Dynamic Yoga Demonstration, which teaches us a message of team, that together everyone achieves more. Let's proceed further in the proceedings of this cultural eve.
इस सृष्टि की रचना, पालन और संहार त्रिदेवों के माध्यम से होता है। वे त्रिदेव हैं ब्रह्मा, विष्णु और महेश।
So let's combine the music of East and West in the fusion music dance. We would like to welcome our team of MA girls to present the fusion music dance.
मुझ में शिव है, मुझ में ब्रह्मा, मुझ में विष्णु, मुझ में कृष्णा, फिर मैं काहे मंदिर जाऊं।
This fusion performance combined the music of East and West was actually talking about the divinity within us, which tells that the creator, the nurturer, the destroyer, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh is within us. Let's proceed further.
हमारा जीवन एक कठपुतली की तरह है जिसकी डोर ईश्वर के हाथ में है। कुछ यही भाव है अगली प्रस्तुति के।
Let's be the instruments in the hands of God and let's see this wonderful performance of puppet dance of Rajasthan. Please put your hands together for this puppet dance.
रात बढ़ी और दिन निकला, जब दिन निकला तो रात चढ़ी, फिर बीत गई ऐसी नींद बड़ी जब राखा बेलिया।
ऊँटी पर जब चांद चले और चांद के पीछे रात चले और तारों की बारात चले, रब राखा बेलिया।
हर रात कहानी चलती है,
कभी आवाज सुनाती है बातें,
कभी बात जबानी चलती है, रब राखा बेलिया।
फिर रात घड़ी
और दिन निकला जब दिन निकला तो रात चढ़ी फिर प्रीत की ऐसी भींग बड़ी रब राखा बेलिया जावेगी
प्रीत सदा रह जावेगी
समय गुजर जावेगा बाबू
लोक कथा रह जावेगी
बात पुरानी हो जावेगी
नाम सदा रह जावेगा
हर मार वतन में बालो जब तक उनका नाम रहेगा फिर रात कटी और दिन निकला जब दिन निकला तो रात चढ़ी फिर प्रीत की ऐसी भीग बड़ी रब राखा बेलिया जब गुजर गए और लाख चांद जब उतर गए
पल पर एक पड़ाव हुआ और फिर जन्मे का जाव हुआ
तब से हर प्रेम कहानी में वो आते हैं और जाते हैं मारो दिल में बालो जब तक उनका नाम रहेगा फिर रात कटी और दिन निकला जब दिन निकला तो रात चढ़ी फिर प्रीत की ऐसी भींग बड़ी रब राखा बेलिया
उठने पर जब चांद चले और चांद के पीछे रात चले और तारों की बारात चले रब राखा बेलिया
हर रात कहानी चलती है
कभी हवा सुनाती है बातें
कभी बात जबानी चलती है रब राखा बेलिया
So this puppet dance, we actually try to depict that a child is inside each and every one of us, and that is the symbol of purity and sanctity. So let's always remember that we are a child also, and we will be pure and sanctified, then yoga, culture and spirituality will come into our life.
भारतीय नृत्य ने सदा से ही भारतीय परंपरा और भारतीय संस्कृति को पोषित किया है। प्रस्तुत है अगली प्रस्तुति में क्लासिकल नृत्य, जिसके माध्यम से भगवान गणेश और माँ दुर्गा की पूजा आराधना प्रस्तुत की जा रही है।
Please put your hands together for the instrumental dance.
भगवति देशिति कंठ कुटुंबिनि भूरि कुटुंबिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
dani dim tadare dani dim tanadare na dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dim tanadare na o dani dir dir dani tanadare na o dani dir dir dani tanadare na dim tadare dani 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 dim tanadare na o dani dir dir dani tanadare na o dani dir dir dani tanadare na
योग के भाव को अपने जीवन में उतारते हुए अपनी तालियों को मात्र संबल बनाएं। किसी भी प्रस्तुति को सराहने का अपनी स्वर की लहरियों को बात के लिए रखे रहें, तालियों का सहारा सिर्फ लें।
अगली प्रस्तुति है हमारे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय विद्यार्थियों की। ये विद्यार्थी नेपाल से हैं। प्रस्तुत है आपके सामने नेपाल के लोकगीत रमैलू पर हमारे नेपाली विद्यार्थियों की प्रस्तुति।
प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर द नेपाली डांस।
लाग्दछ मलाई रमाइलो लाग्दछ मलाई रमाइलो मेरै पाखा पखेरो हिमाल चुली मनतिर पानी भर्ने पहेरो लाग्दछ मलाई रमाइलो मेरै पाखा पखेरो हिमाल चुली मनतिर पानी भर्ने पहेरो लेकै हेरो लाल गुराँस से हेरो प्याले तीरथ बस्ने भरेवा बिरह बोल्ने न्याले हिमाल छन्छ बेलुकी सबै सेको काटीले जुनेली राति त छो गाउँदा गाउँदै साथीले लाग्दछ मलाई रमाइलो मेरै पाखा पखेरो हिमाल चुली मनतिर पानी भर्ने पहेरो सम्झन्छु म हिउँचुले आँसुको ढेका खसाले यो बिरालो मुलुकमा बसेन माया बसाले मनमा घाम लागे जगत सारा अँधेरो नौ डाँडाको पारीमा प्रीतिको देश छ मेरो प्रीतिको देश छ मेरो
With more than 30 MOUs and representation of more than 20 countries in DSVB, this was an international performance by Nepali students.
योग, आध्यात्म और संस्कृति ये हम सभी के जीवन के आधार हैं। प्रस्तुत है अगली प्रस्तुति ऋषि त्रिवेणी को प्रस्तुत करते हुए।
Let's put your hands together for the theme dance of yoga, culture and spirituality.
अभिलाषी तुम्हारी माया चरणन की दासी मेरे श्याम बिहारी मैं हूँ प्रेम अभिलाषी तुम्हारी मीरा चरणन की दासी
Dapagazati, Trigamadapa, Dapagazati, Trigamadapa, Padani, Sari, Sadapa, Padani, Sari, Sadapa, Patamagazati, Patamagazati, Dapagazati, Trigamadapa, Dapagazati.
This performing art was a depiction of the devotion of Krishna and Meera.
भगवान बुद्ध के अनुसार संतुलन एवं समन्वय ही योग है। यही भाव प्रस्तुत करता है हमारा अगला योग का डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन, जिसमें दो धाराओं का मिलन है।
In this acro yoga, Shoaib and Kuldeep together are going to do yoga performance, which actually gives us a message that yoga is away from religion, caste and creed. Please put your hands together to welcome Shoaib and Kuldeep.
जोरदार तालियां।
DSVV provides a nurturing space of people from different religions. Shoaib was representing Islamic religion and Kuldeep was representing Hindu religion. And together they do yoga. This is one of the salient features of DSVV. So please put your hands together for this wonderful performance. Proceeding further, the next performance is the conjecture of all the different streams of yoga. The staff girls of DSVV are coming for depicting the Laya Yoga, Mantra Yoga, Dhyana Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga and Hatha Yoga's merger by representing Pranayama, Japa, Dhyan and different things. So please put your hands together for this performance by DSVV staff girls.
जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए।
शिवलोकमवाप्नोति शिवेन सह मोदते नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय.
Gurudev said that 21st century is women's century, and a depiction of that can be seen here by the yoga demonstration by DSVV girls. Now the last performance of this cultural eve, the Punjabi dance. For that I would like to welcome the team, which shows the young vigor, young zeal, enthusiasm, that the task of nation building requires youth with muscles of iron and nerves of steel. So the same vigor can be seen here in this Punjabi dance. Please put your hands together to welcome the Bhangra. When this modern one talks about different forms of yoga, you can see even a dance form of our Indian Bhangra in itself is a aerobic yoga. Please put your hands together for this wonderful performance. The journey of this international festival, the 5th time, has started on the 1st of October. And since then, in different ways. आप सभी से निवेदन है कृपया अपने स्थान पर बने रहें. आप सभी से निवेदन है कृपया अपने स्थान पर बने रहें. And now, taking this journey to the higher realms, now I'd like to request.
He has the compassion of a spiritual persona. He has the uniqueness of a spiritual persona, compassion of a father, global ambassador of Vedic culture and the propagator of scientific spirituality. We cordially invite on stage Dr. Param Shraddhe Pranav Pandya ji to address us.
This is a very wonderful movement when it is the valedictory movement of this 5th International Festival on Yoga, Culture and Spirituality. We would like to request His Holiness Dr. Pranav Pandya ji to give us this valedictory note on this 5th International Festival on Yoga, Culture and Spirituality.
Can I request all of you to sit together, sit straight, erect, and be concentrated for a little 15-20 minutes time. I know that I am immediately after the Punjabi event I have come, and that was full of very energetic vibrations. Still, शांत ध्यान की स्थिति में जैसे बैठते हैं वैसे बैठने की कोशिश करें। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुरेव महेश्वर गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरु। Yoga culture and spiritual phenomena is coming to end, but it will never end. कभी समाप्त नहीं होगी। ये यात्रा यहाँ से आरंभ हुई है 5 साल पहले और ये यात्रा निरंतर चलती रहेगी। This is the journey which is never ending. It has to continue in our day-to-day life. I request our present few dignitaries to stand up and accept my salutation and salutation of the masses. Shri Professor Marco Ferrini ji, kindly put up your hands to greet him. Dr. Boni, John Mostad, these are the dignitaries from Italy, and they are present today with us on the closing day. I am really very much delighted to say that this particular Yoga festival has been indeed unique, very unique, in the sense that we blended the yoga culture and spirituality in such a way that we could synthesize the various vibrations of the spirituality with the culture and the yoga. The demonstration was unique. Every presentation was unique. Not a single mistake was committed by anybody. So I feel this is, मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ, मेरे मन में ऐसा बार बार आता है कि ये जो हमारा फंक्शन है इसने एक चीज़ प्रूव कर दी है कि ये तीनों एक दूसरे के साथ जुड़ी हुई साइंस हैं, जुड़े हुए विज्ञान की विधाएं हैं। और एक चीज़ और सिद्ध कर दी है कि इसमें अगर किसी को महारत हासिल है भारतवर्ष में तो वो केवल देव संस्कृति विश्वविद्यालय को हासिल है, वो देव संस्कृति विश्वविद्यालय कर सकता है। मैं कई लोगों से बात कर रहा था, कार्तिकेयन जी से, आकांक्षा जी से मेरी बात नहीं हुई, परंतु मैं ये बताने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि इतना यूनिक प्रेजेंटेशन इंटरनेशनल स्टेज पे दिखाने की ज़रूरत है हमको। वी शुड शो ऑन इंटरनेशनल स्टेज। दे आर वंडरफुल आर्टिस्ट, दे आर वंडरफुल, दे कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग और जब मौका आता है तो दिखा देते हैं ना। आप सोचिए कि क्लास 4 एम्प्लॉई ऑफ देव संस्कृति विश्वविद्यालय, दे प्रेजेंटेड ए डेमो ऑफ योगा टुडे। इन द लास्ट यू सॉ द गर्ल्स, and these girls are looking after the administration of the hostel and everything, and few are looking after the distance education, few are looking after the various administration, and they also presented the yoga demo. That shows that each and everybody is spiritually, mentally, physically fit here. There is not a single person who cannot do it. Even if you call a person from the audience, he will come and he will perform a yoga here. I am very much hopeful. मुझे पूरा विश्वास है, मैं किसी को भी बुला लूँ इशारा करके कि आके दिखाओ, करके दिखाओ, तो वो सारे आसन करके दिखा देगा और वो बता देगा कि हाँ यार, I am very well trained in this. You see, there are so many institutions in the country and the world, all over. We have got Marco Ferrini ji, Boni ji, Dr. Boni, and we had Sant Hari Sri Bhai Shri Hari Singh Khalsa ji, day before yesterday. All these people are spreading yoga like anything. Yoga is spreading. We want these people to use Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya as a platform to spread the spirit of yoga. You see, yoga is not merely postures. Behind the postures is the consciousness. And the consciousness, if it is not there, the elated feeling, if it is not there, your inner pleasure is not there, and your vigor and vitality, if it is not there, then you will not be able to present it nicely. What you will be able to present is just like puppet show, what you show the puppet show. So I think the dances of varieties from Nepal, from Punjab, from our various areas like Rajasthan, all these, and from the day 1 to day 6, day 5, today is day 5. Day 1 I was here and I saw the presentations and I saw that there was a class in it, excellence. And Lord Krishna says in Gita, excellence is yoga. Excellence, all quality of excellence. Whatever is excellent is yoga. Utkrishtata, human excellence should come out in the form of your yogic demonstration. Your presentations and your physical fitness, your mental fitness, your spiritual fitness, and practically speaking, each and every part of your body will be fit. Each and every system of you will be fit if you practice yoga every day. This is what is the message going from Shanti Kunj, Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya, that we need a healthy India, we need a clean India, we need a socialized, spiritualized society. For this, we have to spread the message of yoga which comes from ancient sages and seers of this country who practiced it in the caves of the Himalayas. And from there it came the yoga, the waves, the yoga, whatever have come, they are going to spread like anything. Yoga cannot be contained. You can see the Hindu and Muslim doing yoga together. What a beautiful way of doing it. They were just like two brothers, two parts of the yoga, Y-O-G-A. One was Y-O, other was G-A. Both were combined together yoga. This was what the uniqueness of this. And I know these boys and girls every day, I meet them many times, I see them when they come to meet me. मैं समझता हूँ कि इन सब के अंदर जो ऊर्जा है, इन सब के अंदर जो अग्नि प्रदीप्त है, जैसे महायोगी, हमारे देश के महायोगी श्री अरविंद हुए हैं, उन्होंने कहा है कि सबसे बड़ा योग वो है जिसमें आप सारी चीज़ों की सिंथेसिस कर लें, अपने अंदर की जितनी भी क्वालिटीज़ हैं उनकी सिंथेसिस कर लें. Your ideals, your qualities, your compassion, your love, your affection, your whatever purity you have, put it in that. So yoga is composite, yoga is comprehensive, yoga is a very, very specific and queer phenomena in which is involved in each and every aspect of our life. Lord Krishna says in one of the verses that yato yato nischarati manah, whenever your mind gets diverted, and everybody's mind gets diverted, yato yato nischarati manah chanchalam asthiram, your mind is very, very fluid, it just wanders from here and there. Chanchal asthir man idhar udhar bhagta hai, tatah tatah niyamyatyat. Then at that time you should try to control it and bring it at my lotus feet. मेरे चरण कमलों में लाके इसको रखूं, यहाँ रखूं. Means bring it to the Almighty. And if you are merging with yourself with the Almighty, then that time that yoga happens, microcosmos to macrocosmos. Yoga is the merging of consciousness, microcosmos to macrocosmos. My dear friends, you saw various postures, various qualities of the Lay Yoga, Dhyan Yoga, Nad Yoga, many things. And the Natti Yoga, which were Lay Yoga, Bhav Yoga. All these yogas are merged together when they are practiced in day-to-day life in various forms of our culture. That is why our culture is unique. Yoga and spirituality combined together in the culture. And our culture is visible in day-to-day life, in everyday's life. Today, everybody is afraid of obesity. Today, everybody is afraid of high-rising cholesterol, triglycerides level, lipid level is high. Many abnormalities are occurring. There are so many people who are getting very early stage ischemic heart disease. There are early stages. The people are getting Alzheimer's disease, Alzheimer. These all things can be prevented by yoga, and you can be very much happy, pleased all the time by culture. You can be very much high, and in potential you can reach nearer to the God Almighty, that is the summum of qualities, ideals and virtues, that is God, by spirituality. So yoga, culture and spirituality. These three take you to the highest possible goal of your life, that I must reach the Almighty. I must reach the Almighty. That is what is my goal. That is what is the goal of God to send us on this earth. My dear friends, our Gurudev, Param Puja Gurudev, Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya Ji, actually he was one of the greatest yogi we have seen, and he advised everybody to do Gayatri, everybody to practice Gayatri, everybody to do Yajna for society, Gayatri for yourself, Gayatri for society, Yajna for yourself, everything together. And he has built up this Gayatri family in such a way that now Gayatri family is becoming a whole world family. पूरा संसार गायत्रीमय हो रहा है, पूरा संसार योगमय हो रहा है, और मैं समझता हूँ कि योग किसी व्यक्ति का नहीं है. This yoga doesn't belong to a person. This yoga doesn't belong to a society. This yoga doesn't belong to an institution. This yoga doesn't belong to any particular sect. This yoga doesn't belong to any particular university or any institution. But this yoga belongs to Almighty Lord Krishna, Yogeshwar Shri Krishna. He is the Almighty Shri Krishna, who is the Lord, and he says, Manamana bhav madbhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru. You become mine. You become my disciple. My disciple means not Shri Krishna's disciple, Paramatma's disciple. Paramatma means the Almighty, consciousness, the highest state of consciousness. If you follow that highest state of consciousness, your purity will start increasing, and you will start becoming more and more closer to Krishna consciousness. That Krishna consciousness is nothing but the Almighty's consciousness. Many times people get confused with Sri Krishna. Is it the same Sri Krishna who was a friend of Arjuna, or is it the same Sri Krishna who was the Yadav king? No. He is, in this particular aspect in the yoga, he is the Yogeshwar. And today everybody wants Bhogeshwar. Bhogeshwarya, live it and become Yogeshwar through Yogeshwar's philosophy of Krishna's philosophy, Sri Krishna's philosophy. This is what is the teaching of 5 days. I hope you are taking away many things from here. I thank all of you who have been with us. जितने भी लोग हमारे बीच में आए, हमारे बीच में रहे, जिन्होंने क्लैप किया, जिन्होंने साथ दिया, जिन्होंने यहाँ की पार्टिसिपेट किया, जिन्होंने प्रोग्राम्स दिखाए, जिन्होंने प्रोग्राम्स में पार्टिसिपेट किया. और मैं सबसे ज़्यादा अपने स्टाफ को भी थैंक देता हूँ, क्योंकि स्टाफ ने, टीचिंग स्टाफ ने, हमारे कल्चरल सेल ने, सांस्कृतिक प्रकोष्ठ ने जिस ढंग से मेहनत की, बहुत बढ़िया. मैं उनको बधाई देता हूँ सभी को, टीचर्स को, पार्टिसिपेंट्स को. जो आज जो मेरे सामने आए यहाँ पर, दिस वॉज ए अटर सरप्राइज फॉर मी. मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा आश्चर्य था कि ये जो लड़कियाँ जो थर्सडे के दिन मुझे प्रणाम करने के लिए आती हैं, मुझे और जीजी को, वो इतना बढ़िया योगा कर लेती हैं. इतना बढ़िया ढंग से कर लेते हैं, इनको तो इनकी टीम भेजी जा सकती है, पूरे भारत में टीम भेजी जा सकती है, इनको जगह जगह भेजा जा सकता है कि एट एनी एज यू कैन बिकम सप्पल, यू कैन बिकम वेरी वेरी एक्टिव, you can become very energetic and your body can be very supple and you can do it, you can perform it. Many people start saying अब मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ इसलिए नहीं कर पाता. कितने साल के हो गए हो? 30 साल का. अरे बूढ़े, तू 30 साल का हो नहीं, तू 90 साल का बूढ़ा है. You are not old any time. You are always young if your thinking is young. If your thinking is positive, all the time you are always. Start imagining from today onwards that you also can do it. You also can do it. Then there will be no backache problem. There will be no problems related with our vertebral column. Vertebral column is the main source of energy. You see, spinal cord passes through it. And spinal cord, with all its spinal nerves, it is spreading all over the network of the nervous system. Right from the medulla oblongata, from the brain to down to the bottom sacrum. ये जो हमारा सिस्टम है, इसको स्ट्रांग बनाए रखना, मजबूत बनाए रखना हमारा काम है. दिस इज अवर ड्यूटी टू मेक इट, कीप इट स्ट्रांग. हाउ कैन वी डू इट? बाय रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज, regular yoga. Today in the western setup, when we are talking of the fusion, you saw the fusion, everything. If you talk about fusion, there are varieties of the western songs in which on which the various people, they do exercises on the treadmill, the walk, the crosser and other things, but they are doing nothing but just lessening the fat in the body, but that's all. But if you want to make the vertebral column strong, do yoga, and that yoga will definitely help you like anything. मैं समझता हूँ कि इस हमारे 5 दिन के समारोह ने एक हमें मैसेज दिया है कि योगा हम सबको करना चाहिए, हम सब करेंगे और करके अपने जीवन को धन्य बनाएंगे, क्योंकि ये जीवन बार बार नहीं मिलता, बार बार नहीं मिलता. मनुष्यानाम सहस्रेषु, मनुष्य गीता से मनुष्यानाम सहस्रेषु कश्चित यतति सिद्धे यततामपि सिद्धानाम कश्चिन माम वेत्ति तत्वतः. 7th chapter, 3rd verse. There are so many people who try to achieve the ultimate godly ideals, but they try to reach me, but they don't reach me. Why? Because they don't know me by essence. मुझे तत्व से नहीं जानते. मुझे वो तत्व से जान लेंगे तो फिर पता चलेगा उनको कि रियलिटी क्या है. मित्रों, मैं चाहता हूं कि आप सब यहाँ तत्व से जान के जाएंगे. योग क्या है, कल्चर क्या है, स्पिरिचुअलिटी क्या है, और इन तीनों का मिक्सचर क्या है. इन तीनों का मिक्सचर ये है जो आपने यहाँ पे देखा इस स्टेज पे. आई कन्वे टू माई स्टूडेंट्स many congratulations to conduct this program, to all those who participated here and all those who participated there by clapping. All of you are worth congratulations and blessings from the Param Pujya Gurudev and Paramanya Mataji. From all of us, we convey to you that this particular event has come on the eve of Navratri. Just after about 9 days from here today, 8 days from here today, I'm going to start Navratri class right from here. So I'm going to tell you about Navratri. I'm going to tell you about the 9th chapter. 9th chapter I'm going to take of Gita. And then that time I will like you to listen to me very attentively, like a yogi should listen. And that yogi will become only one when his rhythms, his all feelings, his all thinkings, they become concentrated on one point. At yoganushashanam. At yoganushashanam. If we become disciplined, then our chitta comes at one point. And that is very good, very beneficial for the people. From 13th we are going to start the classes, and before that you have got a liberty, and that particular liberty is fine, which you will know from the office. And today we are ending this yoga session in this valedictory function. I appreciate the role of the anchor. I don't know the name of that young girl who has been very nicely presenting. Come here. Eh? She is Siddhidatri. She can give you siddhis, all sorts of siddhis. BSc करती है? BJMC first year. So she was one of the anchor. Then the anchor was Gopal. The anchor was our Rahul Satuna, and many people who helped on stage, behind the stage, and all the officials of the academic staff. They are worth congratulating for this. Hostel wardens, they gave liberty to their girls and boys to come here and practice. Thank you very much. आप सबको खूब मंगल।
These pearls of wisdom have taken this 5th International Festival on Yoga, Culture and Spirituality to a zenith, and now we will proceed further with Shanti Part at the end of this valedictory session. Om Deo Shanti Antarikshagvam Shanti Prithvi Shanti Rapah Shanti Ro Shadayah Shanti Vanaspatayah Shantir Vishve Deva Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarvagvam Shanti Shanti Deva Shanti Sama Shanti Redhi Om Shanti 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 Sarvarishta Shushanti Bhavatu. Thank you all the delegates, thank you Guruji and all the dignitaries for being there in the 5th International Festival on Yoga, Culture and Spirituality. एक बार पुनः जोरदार ताली से स्वागत करें, अभिनंदन करें हमारे समस्त अतिथियों का। और इस तरीके से यात्रा एक नए मुकाम तक पहुंच चुकी है। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Volunteers are requested to kindly escort our delegates to their respective positions. And this is the best way to end this 5th International Festival on Yoga, Culture and Spirituality. We will meet again. You all are part of our family. Thank you very much. Dhanyawad.